AI tools are changing the way we write code, from generating snippets to helping us debug and learn faster. But how exactly is AI reshaping the actual day-to-day workflow of programmers? And what does that mean for both experienced developers and people trying to learn to code for the first time? Today we're breaking it down and getting real-world insight from someone who's been coding and teaching for over 20 years. To understand how AI is transforming coding, we sat down with Yen Lee, a longtime University of Phoenix faculty member and experienced programmer. He shared how AI supports both beginners and seasoned developers, and how it's changing the coding workflow from the ground up. Let's get into it. For experienced programmers, AI isn't replacing their knowledge. It's helping them work faster and re-engage with languages they haven't used in a while. Yen had a personal moment that really shows this.
As a programmer, sometimes you are familiar with 1 or 2 or 3 languages, but sometimes you have some languages that you have not used in a while. And that happened to me, and with the help of AI, I could come up with scripts and use those scripts to run and get my result.
That moment captures something many developers are experiencing. AI isn't replacing knowledge, it's amplifying it. It helps you pick up old languages faster, automate tedious work, and free up time for deeper problem solving. So where does AI actually show up in the coding process? Yen breaks it down into 2 major categories: writing new code and understanding or maintaining existing code. And as he explains, AI now plays a role in both.
Generally, there are kind of 2 sets of work that a programmer would do. Either you write a new program, or you are maintaining an existing program, whether there is some problem with it, or you need to put it into another platform, or you would add some functionality to it, or optimize the program. If you are on the writing of a new program, AI could help with repeating tasks, repetitive kind of task, like coming up with a kind of a framework for the entire program. That saves quite a bit of time. When coding is done, you would like to kind of do some unit testing. It could help generate some test data as well very quickly. Now, in maintaining a program, AI could help you very quickly generate a summary or generate a documentation for you to understand what this program is doing, how it is structured, and then you could start to change it, or to also ask, where can it be optimized, if optimization is what your goal is.
What he's describing is the part of coding many people don't see: the scaffolding, the documentation, the testing. AI is helping with the repetitive labor so developers can focus more on architecture, problem solving, and creativity. AI isn't just helping experts write faster, it's also helping beginners take their first steps. For many people, writing that very first working program is the biggest hurdle. AI is starting to remove that barrier. Here's how Yen describes it.
I've been teaching this for 20 years, and one of the most common questions that I get from students is, how do I start? Or, where do I start? With AI, you could ask it the questions and tell it what your goal is, and it will generate at least some things that allow someone to get started.
This is one of the most exciting parts of AI's impact. It lowers the barrier to entry without removing the need to learn. It helps you get started and then helps you learn by doing. AI is changing the way we code, not by replacing developers, but by boosting what they can do. It helps experienced programmers work more efficiently, supports beginners as they take their first steps, and speeds up the parts of coding that used to take hours. And as Yen's insights show, AI's impact isn't theoretical. It's happening right now, in real workflows, for real programmers. Thanks for watching this episode of The Framework, presented by University of Phoenix. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what programming topics you want us to explore next. See you next time!